In this video, we'll show you how to change the front brake hose on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Turn the brake disc inward to make this operation easier. Place a container to collect the fluid under the caliper, since the brake fluid may leak out. Using a wire brush, start by brushing the metal hose connection and spray it with penetrating oil. Using a 12mm open ring wrench, undo the metal hose connector from the brake hose while it is still on its support. Finish unscrewing the hose. Disconnect the ABS sensor cable from the brake hose. Here's a tip. You can limit brake fluid leakage during this operation by plugging the metal hose connector with stopper pliers. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, unscrew the Banjo bolt connecting the hose to the caliper. Finish unscrewing by hand. Then remove it. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the bolt securing the brake hose bracket. You can now remove the hose. You can order the brake hoses used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new brake hose. Place a Banjo shutter plier on the hose. Remove the shutter pliers from the metal connector. Screw the metal hose connector back on part way. Screw the brake hose mounting bracket back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now finish tightening the metal hose connector. Get the new copper gaskets and the Banjo bolt. Put a gasket on the Banjo bolt. Remove the shutter pliers from the hose. Install the assembly on the hose. Then put the second gasket on the Banjo bolt. Screw the Banjo bolt that connects the brake hose to the caliper back in until it makes contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now clean the junction between the metal connector and the brake hose with brake cleaner to remove the brake fluid, which can be corrosive. Replace the ABS sensor cable in its slot. When replacing a brake hose, you need to bleed the brake fluid system to remove air from the system. To do this, we recommend watching our video, How to Bleed the Brake Fluid System Ram 1500. After bleeding, remember to clean the caliper disc assembly with brake cleaner. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Don't forget to screw the brake fluid cap back on before starting the car. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.